VNHELP is a nonprofit organization based in San Jose, California. Founded in 1991, the organization has completed many successful fundraising activities in the United States to support meaningful programs in Vietnam. Year 2007 marks the 16th year in operation of VNHELP. We continue to assist children, young adults, and communities throughout Vietnam in the areas of health and education. Nguyễn Trường Tộ Scholarship Program. Develop young minds for the future. Annually, VNHELP grants scholarships to more than 300 excellent college students who suffer economic hardship in Cà Mau, Saigon, Cần Thơ, An Giang, Huế, and Da Nang. Each recipient receives from $80 to $120 in cash for one school year. The scholarship amount, though modest, is a tremendous help for students who suffer extreme financial difficulty. It enables them to pay for a whole year of tuition or housing and food. In addition to 300 regular scholarships, VNHELP has granted a special scholarship for 3 students in Khai San, Rạch Giá, to attend medical school in Saigon. This scholarship is $688 per year per student, which covers the entire cost of living and education for these students who have committed to return to work at Khai San Hospital after graduation. These students will receive the scholarships in 4 consecutive years of college.
Học bổng hôm nay em nhận được đó, thì em đóng học phí.
I will use the scholarship grant to pay for my tuition.
Khoảng 2 năm qua thì mẹ em bệnh rất là tốn kém.
My mother has been very ill for the last 2 years, and it costs a lot for her medical treatment. I didn't have money to pay tuition in the last 2 semesters. School building in rural areas. Bring childhood lessons to children. Many generous donors have responded to VNHELP's School Building Matching Fund program. In year 2007, VNHELP built an elementary school in Bac Giang and a kindergarten in Quảng Trị. A high school in Phu Thọ was repaired, and a kindergarten in Đồng Nai is in the planning phase. Since we began the school building program in year 2000, VNHELP has built 26 kindergarten and elementary schools throughout Vietnam, where close to 10,000 children are provided a safe and suitable educational environment. Vocational Training Program. Help disabled youth gain self-reliance. The sewing classes in Huế and Da Nang, funded by VNHELP since year 2000, continue to produce skilled workers. We provided training for youths with physical disabilities such as mute, deaf, hunchback, or leg impairments. Instead of suffering with personal inferiority complexes, the young disabled men and women are so happy to be trained with a vocational skill. Almost all young adults who graduated from our 9-month training course found a job and have a steady income. Public Health Program. Provide health care for poor patients. Health Clinic Phu Thuận in Da Nang received funds from VNHELP in the last several years to provide free health services and medicine for more than 20,000 poor patients every year. Khai San Hospital in Rạch Giá receives 3 tons of rice at the beginning of each quarter to provide free daily meals to 500 low-income patients. A clean water supply system has been installed for a clinic in Đồng Nai province to serve several hundred patients per day. Orphans and Street Children program, provide nutrition, education, and family love. VNHELP supports 3 orphanages and street children centers in Saigon, Hue, and Can Tho, where 230 orphans are being cared for. Additionally, 50 children from poor families in Can Son, near the garbage dump site, and 40 children in Bin Din continue receiving financial aid from VNHELP. Gao Mui Elementary School continues to provide primary education and financial assistance to 155 children at risk. VNHELP launched the Sponsor a Child program in year 2006. This program has been receiving overwhelming response from the community. We successfully found sponsors for 150 children at Yak Orphanage in Saigon and Tien An Social Center in Can Tho. We will soon expand this program to more locations. VNHELP's growing success would not have been possible without the love and generous support from many kind donors and volunteers in Vietnam and the United States. On behalf of VNHELP and the aid recipients in Vietnam, we sincerely thank you. We hope for your continued support to improve the lives of many deserving people in Vietnam.